ICUW's game in G-Park. It is so boring.
Said that the game isn't fun enough. So I created another one, cause I love my fans. This map is a fun part.
Go to hell. Subscribe if you didn't scare.
Don't tell my boyfriend it's not what he's made for.
So you think you can beat this impossible challenge? Support Muslim people don't scroll. Only people who are Team Allah will like and who are Team Allah will like and subscribe.
No, don't do it. God is stupid.
You support Muslim.
My Roblox. He changed my password and I can't get in. He also ruined my avatar. I'm avatar. Ruined my avatar. I'm going to cry. What should I do?
Boys are better than girls. Girls are bad at everything.
No girls are better. We run the world. Guys both are equal. We'll be happy if you skip this, so don't skip. Only people who are Team God.
Do it. God is bad.
I know mommy's not here right now, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.
Comment if you love God.
How bad could I possibly be? Let's see. Possibly be. Let's see.
No, you are wrong. Bacons are good. They did nothing wrong. Like and subscribe.
Hi, Yu, I'm your.
Oh, how you can be her fan. She is a clown.
Like and subscribe if you support Yu.
Profile picture if you hate UWU.
Let's see who will win. Team Jesus.
Team Satan.
My friends wanted to play my game. They said my game is trash. Can you play it with me, please? Open game.
This new Yuki teasing
Could
game.
I possibly be? Let's see.
No, you are wrong. You can try my game and rate it. Go to friends and search Runtic. Open my profile and scroll down and you will find my game. Find me in Creepcraft there. $100 million?
I'll do it for $5.
Like and subscribe if you don't.
Well, it's like I'm not liking it as a free.